And for the first five of Barangay Bulawit 2. Now, the start on the second game for tonight's second game, Barangay Lupa versus the Barangay Bulawit 1. This is the second game for the opening day battle for the jumble. Top by Lupa. Inside Bulawit, Di Guzman. Now on Junio, number 8. Junio this time. That is a no good. Saves. Back to Junio. No good again. That is a lane violation. Medyo madulas. Hindi nila winalis. Lane violation for Bucaloy. Number 17. Junio. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Almost still. Shot clock, 4 seconds to shoot. Labas. That is a good. 2 points is good. Now Di Guzman. On jersey number 1, Bucaloy ang tatanggap, almost still. Junio to number 21, Asubrado naman. That is a 2 points on Asubrado. Di Guzman, number 14, using the glass, no good. Di Guzman again, put back, 2 points, is good. Official score is 4-0. Lamang ng dalang 4-2, I'm sorry. Using the glass, 2 points is good. Espinosa too. Di Guzman inside pass, turn around jumper using the glass. That is a basket on number 25, Di Guzman. Now on Di Guzman tax naman. Number 77, puts the 3. That is a no good, that is a too strong. Saves Junio on the side. Junio, 10 seconds on the shot clock. Pajarillo, that is a basket count and connects a foul on number 0. That is a first personal foul on jersey number 0. And now takes a bonus free throw on Pajarillo. No good, that is a too strong. Di Guzman for the pass break. Sakto yan on Di Guzman. That is a basket. Tax this time on number 77. Bigay. Mendoza 2, back to Tax. Pajarillo naman, dalawang bantay, ikot, di makapihit, 10 seconds on the shot clock. Junio. That is a short, Di Guzman, pass break again, and back to back basket for Di Guzman on the pass break. Our first deadlock. Deadlock tayo, Nate. Junio this time. Junio almost loses the handle. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Box Tax, papato ng 3, no good. Intercept, pero saves on Di Guzman, number 24. Bucaloy this time on Bucaloy. Susubok, 2 points, it's good on Bucaloy. Now on Junio, number 6, number 21.
Bulawi. Score 10-8. 10-8 in favor of Bulawi.
Okay, for pag yung mga susunod na laro, incomplete uniform, no play. Junio to number 21, using the glass, that is a basket, number 21 on Mendoza. Espinosa now, naitawid na, bigay on Bacaloy, the big man of Barangay Bulawit, labas, on the middle is Espinosa. 10 seconds on the shot clock, no good. Defensive rebound, Junio now, magmamadali on number 8. Pero he gets a foul on jersey number 14. Substitution, that is your first personal foul on number 14 on Digisman for the second team foul. First is no good on Junio, number 8, this time for the second free throw. On the second throw, no good also. Espinosa, back to Espinosa now. Espinosa on the middle, that is the basket on Espinosa. 12-10 our official score, lamang ng 2 puntos para sa Bulawit. Mustang steal, number 14, De Guzman, up and away, that is a basket. Abante sa 4 na puntos. Danoli to Espinosa, that is a basket. Paharilio now, oh, number 7, Paharilio. That is a basket on the side. Now on Danoli, Espinosa ang tatagap, back to Danoli. Diretso para sa 2 puntos. Mapapatawag bigla ng timeout ang Barangay Lipa. 3 minutes, 28 seconds. This time on the baseline area. Sa his teammates, Maure ang tatagap, number 6 on the side. Bigay on Pasio. Pero may foul on jersey number 1 for De Guzman. That is your first personal foul for the third team foul. Pasio to Maure, that is 3 points on Maure. Labas ang De Guzman, bigay on the lowly on the side. 3 agad ang bantay. Pero nabitawan, mapupunta sa mga nakapula or the Barangay Lipa. Maure now, number 5. Mendoza 2. Looking for the receiver, back to number 21. Mendoza this time strongly guarded on the Noli. Maure, no good this time. De Guzman for the defensive rebound, pero 2 bantay. Nabitawan on the Noli, but he connects a foul. That is your first personal foul. Warning on penalty. Number 6, the guy sa loob. Bukiran naman, that is a basket, number 14. 18-17 ang ating nasa talaan. 1 puntos na lang ang kalamangan at makaka-steal pa. Espanole 2. Mendoza again. No good. Maure pa rin on the side. That is a basket. 19-18. Change paper tayo. Barangay Lipang may kalamangan. We have a timeout on Barangay Bulawit 1. 19-18, isang puntos ang abante para sa Barangay Lupa. Now on the sideline, inbound para sa Barangay Bulawit on De Guzman.
Bale kung meron na pag ano.
Another De Guzman on jersey number 1. But still, now Bukiran to Mendoza. Nasa gilid si Maure, no good. Put back on Bukiran. On Pasio, that is a basket. 1 minute and 41 seconds.
Something dyan. Nasa lang ng mobius eh.
This time on Makasib, number 26.
Sayang mo na yun.
Makasib on the side to Guzman. Running shot, 2 points is good. And those are 2. Maure again, Ismanoli 2. Basket, 2 points. 1 minute and 20 seconds. Almost still. Then holding foul on Zanoli. Number 18. That is a holding foul. That is your second personal foul. The next a foul on number 6. And now we are in the penalty situation. We have a substitution. De Guzman on number 14 is out. Replace on De Guzman number 3. 2 free throws now. First throw, that is a 2 strong. On Tulaga number 22. Now on the second free throw. Substitution. Who's out? On Mendoza, replaced by Macaranas. One minute and 12 seconds. Nabibigay sa kanyang utol, no good, pero may connect ang foul para kay number. On number 6, guilty on the pushing foul. First throw, that is a basket, nothing but that, this time on the second free throw. That is a no good, it's Lee Charity. Then we have a symbol on Barangay Lupa. 1 minute and 3 seconds. No good. De Guzman on number 1. The guy on Danoli number 18, Danoli. Naipasa pa sa kabila dahil sa basket yan po De Guzman. 45 seconds. Macaranas. Bang! That is the 3 points naman on Macaranas. We have a symbol. That is a symbol. Only 31 seconds. No good. De Guzman. Attacking again. No good. Bukid down on number 14. Bigay on Tulaga number 22. Pero di nahabol. Only 19 seconds. But still on Macaranas. 2 points is good on Macaranas. 10 seconds. 5 seconds. No good. Bugaloy. No good. Okay, naitawag yon sabay. And connect say foul on number 17. And 2 free throws is awarded on Bucaloy. First round, Bucaloy, that is a 2 strong. Now on the second free throw. For the second throw.
Matis ka mo to. Sa 11. Sa 11.
Number 21, Pumatay. Pumatay this time looking for a receiver. Libo tatanggap on the side. That is the first basket, 2 points. Junio may tanga ng bola. Junio strongly guarded by Pumatay. Bostax ang tatanggap sa ilalim. Paharilio pero mahuhulingan Dumantay. Dumantay this time. No good. Paharilio. Pero napitigan. Paharilio saves the ball. Junio number 8. Junio this time. 2. Masyadong malakas. Now on Dumantay. Matindi ang bantay on Junio. Rebound this time. Number 18. That is a basket. Back-to-back basket yan. On number 19. That is a played away shot on number 19. Junio number 8. Bigay. Bostax. For the third try, no good again. Tax again, ilalapit to Paharilio on the middle, no good.
29-27. Lamang ang lipa.
29-27, baba sa 2 puntos. No good. Now number 77 on De Guzman to number 33. Pero traveling violation ang maitatawag. We have a substitution. Dumantay to rebound. Quizon, no good. De Guzman, pero may foul na tinawagan on number 22, Sulagan. First throw. It's a air ball. This time for the second free throw. Agyuyagan, paano agad natatakot? Sakin eh. No good. This time, Junio, number 8, may bit-bit ng bola. That is the block at pisong-piso yun. Junio, lulupas. Pero, last hit sa number 11. This time, Ribo. On the side, De Guzman. Junio 2, number 11. Pero may foul tayo on number 10. That is a first personal foul. We have a substitution for De Guzman. And back to the ball game on number 14 on Bukiran. That is a first, is a basket now on the second free throw on number 11. Quizon, Bigayon, De Guzman. No good. Junio this time. Pero intercept from Quezon. Quezon to Guzman. Back to Quezon, slashing the middle. Ribo to Di Guzman. No good. Tulagan to Di Guzman. Di Guzman now on number 14. Di Guzman again. Labas on Quezon. On the side, no good. Bukirin. Tulagan na una na. No good. Again and again. Nakabawi si Tulagan. The next day foul on number 11. That is your first personal foul on Luka, number 11. Quezon ang tumanggap. Ribo. No good. That is a short. Ribo again. Using the glass. That is a basket. This time on number 8 on Junio. Satisting mates on Junio. That is a beautiful shot on Junio. 2 points is good. Di Guzman, number 14. Hinintay ang buong kakampi. Dumantay ang tatanggap. Back to number 14. Dumatay.
Sab. Dalagan.
Substitution on Tulagan. Replaced by Espanyol. Another substitution for number 19. Bucaloy is back in the ball game. Di Guzman on number 14. Replace on Espinosa on jersey number 0. Junio now on number 8. Junio pa rin. On the side, puts a 3. And he connects a foul on number 10 for Ribo. That is a blocking foul substitution. That is your second personal foul on number 10. Bukiran. Ilalapit on Bukiran using the glass, no good. Defensive rebound. But intercept Junio number 8. Junio. That is a no good. Saves the ball. Junio pa rin. Inilapit na on Junio. 2 points is good. On the middle, no good. Number 17 is Espanyol 2. Bukira, that is an easy 2 points. Puts it in, that is a basket for 2 points. Number 11 to Junio again. Junio, di diskarte ulit si Junio. Strongly guarded by Dumatay, looking for our receiver on the side. Back to Junio. Puts a 3, 10 seconds, no good. Number 17, that is a basket. We have a timeout para sa team ng Barangay Bulawit 1. Barangay Binalay versus the Barangay Kalbog. For tonight's last game, Barangay Butaw versus the Barangay Talas Patang. Bulawit for the basketball. Espinosa this time on number 0. Bantay si Macaranas. Espinosa 2. Rebound number 12. That is a 2 strong. Napupulot. Di Guzman to Bucaloy. That is a troubling violation. Junio to Macaranas. Back to Junio now. Back to Macaranas. Puts the three. No good. Pajarilo saves the ball. Number 17. No good. Defensive rebound. Espinosa. Pass break. Saktong-sakto. Usog lang ng kundan. Basket on number 14. 40-33. Our official score. 7 puntos sa kabantayan Barangay Lupa. No good. Cutting intercept on Macaranas, number 4. Macaranas slashing the middle. That is a basket on Macaranas. De Guzman to Espinosa, perimeter. That is blocked. Number 33, Kayabyab, but loses the handle on number 17. Espinosa now. Two minutes on the time remaining. That is a no good. Chase the ball. No good. 1 minute 50 seconds. Macaranas up in the way. That is a basket. One minute 40 seconds. Almost there, but saves. Junio, Macaranas, bang! That is the 3 points. 1 minute 20 seconds. Still and saves. Macaranas 2, back to Macaranas, 2 points. 1 minute 10 seconds. That is a 3 points on the rebound. Number 12. 1 minute. Junio diniscarte 2. Inside pass. Ibabalik kay Pajarillo. Pajarillo. Apat ang bantay. Kaya-biyab na lang para sa 2 puntos. Intersect again on Junio. Junio now. On the side, Macaranas. That is a no basket. 35 seconds. That is a no good. De Guzman using the glass. That is a basket. 51-38. It's Espinosa again. That is a block. Junio. 15 seconds. Junio. 2 points on Junio. 10 seconds. Espinosa on the side. 2 points. 5 seconds. No good. Now back to the ball game for the third period. Change court tayo. 53-40. Our visual score at 13 puntos na ang abante. Pagpasok ng third period on Barangay Lupa. This time, De Guzman, number 77 to Bukiran. That is natapigan on De Guzman. But loses the handle on Barangay Bulawit. This time on number 77, De Guzman, no good. Kinakalawang si Bostax. De Guzman, number 14. Napasigsag pa pero dalawang puntos yan. On Tulagan, number 22. Mendoza on the side. Puts the three and that is the 3 points. Quizon, number 20. Drop pass on Makasip. That is a basket. 2 points. 56-44. Tulagan. Two. De Guzman. 2 points is good. Babana sa 10 puntos. 56-46. Tulagan. Bigay on the side. Bukirin naman. Pero may foul na pinito on jersey. On number 12. That is a first. That is your first personal foul on rebound jersey number 12. First row, that is a basket on Bukiran. This time for the second free throw. Now number 6, Mauro naman. 2 points is good. Rebound number 12 to Makasip. Makasip slashing from the middle. That is a basket. On the side, De Guzman. No good pa rin. Bola mapupunta para sa mga nakapula on the lupa. Substitution. Number 14 is out. Replace on Makaway on jersey number 09. Inside pass, labas. No good. Makasip. Makasip this time to the Guzman on number 1. Rebound naman, number 12. No good. Quizon saves the ball. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Makasip, 2 points is good.
Kam na lang.
Number 77, Tulagan. Mauri ang tumanggap. No good. Makasip to Quizon. Quizon this time. Makaway naman on number 9. Labas, Ribo. Thank you kay Boss Banoy para sa inyong now on Boss Dax to Bukiran. Tatlo ang bantayan Bukiran. Bukiran pa rin. No good. De Guzman. Iwan ang Ribo. Makasip naman. Bigay Makaway on number 9. Makaway. That is the short. Lizes they handle on Barangay Lupa. Mulawit for the basketball.
Tabalag! Yan!
Number 12 to Makasip. Turnaround jumper. That is a basket.
Reserve.
Bukiran on the perimeter jumper. That is an easy 2 points on Bukiran. Makaway on number 9. Bigay on Quizon. Back si Makaway. Nakadaan si Makaway. That is a basket.
54 shots to.
Official score is 61. 54. No good for 3. Makaway this time on number 9. Makaway pa rin. On Makaway. Makasip. That is a basket for 2. 61-56. 5 puntos na lang ang abante para sa team ng Lipa.
Paul mo rin, pare, Paul mo lang. Paul mo lang kami lang.
Hindi, tapi alam ko ito eh. So, man.
Cannot say foul on number 1. Holding foul and substitution. Pakitawag na lang yung papalitan ninyo. Pakitakin on Mr. Kayabyab. This time, Pajarillo, number 7, Pajarillo, Kayabyab, 10 seconds on the shot clock, inside pass, pero may nakitang foul on number 20, that is a Quizon, substitution on Quizon, is out, Bukalo is in. Tulagan to Mr. Kayabyab, number 33. Kayabyab. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Pajarillo. That is a basket on Pajarillo.
Patak yung Mendoza natak yung Mendoza.
Bola!
Mendoza. Andi. Mendoza.
2 points. That is a basket count and he connects a foul on number 21. Guilty on the pushing foul. That is your first personal foul on number 21. Substitution on the Guzman, number 1 is out. Replace on the Espinosa on number 0.
Mendoza takin ka mo. Aliwa. Ano na? Mendoza. Then, may referee.
And basket for the bonus shot.
Halo, kusay.
May isa na.
Haba ng brad.
Mendoza to Kayabyab sa ilalim.
Si Brandon.
Sabay pulot, sabay bato. That is a basket on Maure.
Kanya naman kapiyo rin po ko. Magsisingin na niya. Kaya wala patawag ng abos ng data.
Espinosa.
Aji, tara, Aji.
10 seconds on the shot clock. No good. 2 minutes, 38 seconds. No good. Pajarillo. That is a basket on Maure, number 6. Nag-jogging pa yun. This time on Bukaloy. No good. Big man to big man yun, pero wala. Bola magpupunta para sa Barangay Lipa. We have a substitution on Ratibo. 67-56. 8 puntos pa rin ang abante on Barangay Lipa.
Jakala narawe.
Basket 2 points is good. Now on to Guzman. Makaway to Guzman, number 3. Back to Makaway. Makaway nakalusot using the glass. That is a no good. Espinosa. Pero di Guzman mapupulot, number 3. Sabay pa to. No good. Pero may foul tayo on number On number 33, guilty on the pushing foul. We have a substitution, please. 1 minute and 43 seconds. And this is a part of the third period. That is a no good. Pero mapupulot Maure this time on number 6, Maure. Pero intercept. Kayab-yab. No good. Makaway. Dan Mali, number 18. Dan Mali ngayon. Pinasa pa. That is a symbol. Symbol tayo. That is a symbol. 1 minute and 23 seconds. That is a basket on Tanoli, number 18. On Kayab-yab, ilalabas pero mahuhuli. Espinosa ngayon. That is a no good. Ako na lang ang pinusinan pero wala pa rin. Sabay pa to pero may foul na pinito on number 21. That is a guilty on the pushing foul on number 21. That is your second personal foul for the third team foul. And now 2 free throws is awarded on Espinosa. First throw, that is a too strong this time for the second free throw. No good. Now on Pajarillo. Naitawid doon Pajarillo. Dalawang bantay, matatapikan. Makaway this time. Basket, 2 points on Makaway. 69-64. 5 puntos pa rin ang abante. 40 seconds. Mendoza, labas, 10 seconds on the shot clock, no good. John Noli, Makaway naman. Pero that is a troubling violation on the call of our referee, Mr. Mendoza. 25 seconds, only 25 seconds. Mendoza now, number 21. Maure Kayab-yab puts the 3. No good. 15 seconds. Di Guzman. No good. Isa pa. No good again. Bukalay naman. Pero may foul. Big man si Big man on number 33 on Kayab-yab. That is your second personal foul on number 33. Only 8 seconds. First throw, that is a too strong on Bukaloy this time for the second free throw. On the second throw. Only 8 seconds. No good. 5 seconds. Pero may foul na on number 18, Tanoli. That is a hacking foul on number 18. That is your third personal foul. 3.8 seconds. That is not yet a penalty. That is a warning. Pajarillo. Kayab-yab. Pajarillo again. That is basket. That is a 2 points basket for the official. Last shot of Mr. Pajarillo. Official score is 71-64. And now back to the ball game for the fourth and final quarter. That is at 10 minutes on the playoff and 71-64. Our official score. This is the fourth and final quarter. Now Barangay Bulawit for the basketball. Makaway on number 9. Makaway ngayon, di-discard ang Makaway, almost still. At na-still nga, Martin, number 6. Nagtsatsapat, 2 points is good. Rebound this time on rebound, number 10. Bigay on Makaway, number 9. Makaway pa rin. 2. Makaway. Perimeter jumper, no good. No one Macaranas. Connects a foul on number 15, guilty. On the pushing foul on number 15. That is your first. That is your first personal foul. First row, that is no good on De Guzman. This time for the second free throw. That is no good. Book it up to number 8, Junio naman. May tanga ng balon, Junio 2. Macaranas, no good. Quizon for the defensive rebound. Quizon now. Bigay on De Guzman. Pasa naman on Makaway pero kinulang. Junio this time, number 8, Junio. That is no good. Junio again, put back. That is a basket. 8 minutes, 50 seconds. Quizon. Macaranas to Junio. Di-discarte on Junio. Bigay on Macaranas. No good. Substitution. Makaway is out. Replace on rebound number 12. De Guzman. That is no good. Number 17, 2. Junio now, number 8, Junio. Nakabuelo na on Junio. That is a beautiful shot on Junio. 2 points. Quizon number 20. The guy on the side, another Quizon number 19. That is a long 2 points on number 19. And connects a foul on number 12. That is a hacking foul on number 12 on Rebo. That is your second personal foul on Rebo. That is a basket for 3. No good for 3. Quizon, 2 points. Oh, number 8, Julio. Bigay naman. No good. 10 seconds on the shot clock. No good. 2 points is good. Last 7 minutes. 15 seconds. Connects a foul on number 10. Guilty on the pushing foul on number 10. We have a timeout on Team Barangay Lupa. On number 10, that is your third personal foul on jersey number 10. 7 minutes and 13 seconds. Our visual score is 82-72. 10-point lead para sa Barangay Lupa. This time, Barangay Lupa for the basketball on the baseline area. Junio Macarenas sa his teammates. Maure number 6. Maure pa rin. 10 seconds on the shot clock. On the side. No good. Rebound number 10 saves the ball. Connects a foul on number 33. Guilty on the blocking foul on number 33. That is your third personal foul. And for the second team foul. The Guzman number 3. The guy on the side, Quizon number 20. Quizon back to number 3. The Guzman sabay pa to, no good. On number 8, Julio. Pero may nakitang foul. On number 19. That is your first personal foul on Quizon number 19 for the third team foul. Last 6 minutes and 38 seconds. Junio, didiscarte. Junio pa rin. Nakalusot pero no good. Kayabyab, turn around jumper. That is a basket on Kayabyab, number 33. Di Guzman now. On Di Guzman, number 3. Round and shot, no good. This time, Espanyol, number 17, no good. Quizon now. Pero may foul na on jersey. Number 4, that is Macarenas. That is your first personal foul. We have a timeout para sa Barangay Bulawit. And now back to the ball game. Last 6 minutes and 9 seconds. Makaway on number 9. De Guzman, fires a 3. Now Macarenas on the middle, that is a basket. That is a troubling violation. Junio, didiscarte, looking for the receiver. Tatanggap naman. That is a no good, that is a too strong. Quizon, si Makaway, number 9, Makaway. Iiwan on Di Guzman, that is the short, sayang. On the side. 10 seconds. No good. Battle for the rebound and pass break pero masyadong malakas. Substitution. Pakitawag na lang yung mga papalitan and Quizon is out. Also with Di Guzman number 14. Di Guzman number 1 is in and also with Bacaloy. Junio now. Didiskarte ang Junio. Bigay naman. To Makashiv, number 28. Makashiv slashing the middle, but it's no good. Defensive rebound, no good again. At bola mapupunta sa mga nakapula or the Barangay Lipa. Last 4 minutes and 35 seconds. Put back, no good. Espanyol team, Macaranas sees the ball on Macaranas. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Macaranas still. No good. Again and again, 2 points on number 17. No good. Last 4 minutes and 10 seconds. 88-72 our revision score. Bigay sa ilalim at Bucaloy. Two points is good. No good. Again, Maure. That is a basket, number 6. Call a timeout para sa team ng Barangay Bulawit. Last 3 minutes and 47 seconds. And now, back to the ball game. Barangay Bulawit for the basketball. This time on to Guzman. Dumantay back to the Guzman. Espinosa to Guzman. Dumantay looking for our receiver. Back to the Guzman. Jersey number 1. Weezer number 19. On the side, that is a basket. 2 points. Last 3 minutes and 30 seconds. No good. Mapupulat. Di Guzman to Espinosa number 0. Espinosa ngayon. Lalabasan. Buisan to Dumantay. Natapikan. Mendoza now. That is a short. Labas. Numbers 11 Luka. On Junio to Bostax. Kayab-yab. 10 seconds on the shot clock. No good. Offensive rebound and a basket. 2 points is good. Last 2 minutes and 40 seconds. That is a basket. Last 2 minutes and 30 seconds. Junio to the Guzman. Inside pass, Kayab-yab. Back to Junio. 10 seconds on the shot clock. And he connects a foul on number 18. Pushing foul. Susunugin na ang last timeout para sa Barangay Bulawit. Tapos na lang ang kalamangan. Sakto ang Kayab-yab. That is a basket sa number 33. Danoli this time. And then foul on number 77 on Bostox. That is your first personal foul and 2 free throws now. First throw, that is a basket on Dumantay. This time for the second free throw. That is a short and Lunga. Nauna na si Lunga, no good. Lunga pa rin, kalaban si Danoli pero basket yan. May kasamang foul on number 18. Okay, that is a foul, 5 fouls, fouled out on Danoli, number 18. Substitution for Danoli, please. And now take the bonus free throw. That is a basket also on the bonus free throw. Now Espinosa. Makashev this time on number 28. Using the glass, no good to Matay. Pero may nasilip na foul para kay number. On 21, that is Mendoza. That is your third personal foul. Penalty situation, ref. That is a penalty. Two free throws again on Mr. Dumantay, number 21. First throw, that is a basket. Nothing but net on the first throw. On the second throw, that is a no good. It's plea charity on the free throws. Lunga receiver 2. Mendoza. Last 1 minute. Cole. Could I say timeout? Foul number 1, De Guzman. That is your fourth personal foul on number 1.
Dilapis mo pare!
10 seconds on the shot clock. Bostox. For the first time, kumang kapunisan siya. 40 seconds. Puts a 3, no good. We have a timeout para sa team ng Barangay Lupa. Last 34.3 seconds para kay Mr. De Guzman, number 77. Unang free throw, tignan natin. For the first throw, that is a basket, lucky bounce. Mambes player yan. This time for the second free throw. Pinasyat po eh. No good. 30 seconds. Same ball tayo. That is the same ball. De Guzman makakaagaw to Espinosa. That is a basket. Last 18 seconds. Last 10 seconds. Puts the 3. No good. Makashev. 2 points. Last 3 seconds. And that's the end of this ball game. Our official score is 98-86. And congratulations para sa Barangay Lipa. And our shake hands